Hey guys, it's Danny J here, and as promised, here's another update in my multiplayer game. I've succeeded in maps as well as collision and block manipulation. Today, the focus is on how I got block placing, so I'll take you through the steps I took to get there. First, I needed to get the mouse position. It was not hard since I created my own game maker library which included mouse positions. Next, I had to somehow calculate what position the mouse was at in the world. For those calculations, I took into account the camera position as well as the drawn scale and player coordinates and then I got it working. After, to limit the player's reach, I took some big brain calculations that I totally did not copy from Google. Finally, I was able to get the tiled coordinate to show the player where they are placing their block. Add images to that, and the mouse handling was complete. For placing blocks, it was not difficult to implement, as I simply sent the real mouse positions from the players and whether they clicked left or right mouse buttons. Obviously, the server still checks to see if the player can actually place a block in that position. Additionally, you're only allowed to place a block in a position where there aren't any other players. You don't want this to happen. Everything seemed to be working fine during development, but soon it was time to test it. I sent out an invitation to join the public beta environment server on Discord, and I waited, and waited, and waited. And soon, people joined. We basically spent the remaining time walking around and placing or removing blocks, so let's move on to other discussions. The chat will be added next. There may even be private messages in the future, limited to specific users or particular rooms. It should be easy enough to implement. I'm using a very robust collision function from the old game, so I may need to completely rewrite that method. Hopefully, it'll be a simpler method in goals of optimizations. But that's it for this devlog. I hope you liked what you saw here, and if you have any suggestions, I'd appreciate if you put them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.